Perfect for grilling season. This chicken comes out juicy and delicious. It doesn't get much easier than this. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. My grandmother used to make this chicken once a week for me. I used to take night school after work and I would go over to my grandparents' place for dinner, and every week it was the same chicken. Mind you, it was my favorite chicken, so she did it every week for me. And you know, when you tell your grandparents or your parents that you like something, all of a sudden they just pile it on like you can't get enough of it. This recipe is in my cookbook, Chinese Home Style, but is cooked on the stovetop, and you can also do it in the Instant Pot. But today we're gonna put it on the grill and it'll be super delicious. I'm starting with 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This is approximately 1.5 to 2 pounds worth of chicken. We will add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is there to balance out the flavors because there's a lot of soy sauce going on. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil today, but you can use any neutral oil. Okay, we're just going to stir this around, make sure that the marinade goes in between all of the chicken. It doesn't take much marinade to do this amount of chicken. I especially dislike marinades that have like 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and it's like you don't need 1/2 cup, and it doesn't have to be swimming in the sauce. It just needs to be coated. Last but not least, a thumb size or a thumbs up size piece of ginger. It's about 1/2 ounce, and we're just gonna slice this right into the chicken. You can use the cutting board for this, but you know, that's one more thing for me to wash. Mix that in, and that takes, well, like my mom says, ginger takes away the chicken smell or the raw chicken smell. This adds sort of a little bit of a ginger flavor without tasting very gingery, but also it takes away the raw chicken smell. And that is it for the chicken. It is so simple to make. If you're in a hurry to get dinner on the table, this is the recipe to make while the chicken is marinating, and marinate it for maybe 30 minutes, or even if you wanted to prepare it in the morning before work, say for several hours or even overnight, it's a really great marinade for that. And the longer you let it marinate, of course, the more flavorful it will be. But in this 30 minutes that we're gonna marinate this chicken, we're gonna prepare the rest of our dinner. We don't have an actual grill, so this is our setup. We have our camp stove with a grill pan. It does the job. Once your grill is hot, I'm just gonna spray on some oil. We're gonna grill them for approximately 4 to 5 minutes per side. If you are using breasts or thighs with bone in, then you would probably need more time than that. I think I might have forgotten to mention that we are cooking it on medium-high heat. The chicken is ready to flip if it's not sticking to the bottom. There we go. So glad we're not cooking these inside, not like the beans last week. We totally should have cooked those beans out here. All right, they're done. Turning the heat off. All right, bringing them inside. It looks and smells amazing. We're serving it with rice and a grilled zucchini tonight, but you can serve it with whatever your favorite sides are for summer. Are you all ready for?
Yep. The taste. Look at these wonderful grill marks. Fantastic. That griddle is quite versatile. All right, here. And oh, it's so juicy. It looks amazing and it looks super juicy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that caramelization from the marinade, extra char flavor. Marinade is right through the chicken. Super tasty. Looking forward to the whole meal together. Didn't take long. I don't know how much more you're gonna get out of the marinade for like a lot of hours, but if you're in a time crunch to get dinner on the table, like this is an example of what you can do at home. Don't buy those like sauces at the store. Just do your own at home and it's gonna be an awesome meal.
Awesome, thanks dude.
Yep.
Another simple recipe that will help you get dinner on the table in no time flat. For this recipe, again, it's in my cookbook, Chinese Homestyle. Check it out.